equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Asus UX425E and unplug it. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Remove these screws carefully, keeping them in a safe place. Next, use the spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, you'll see the battery. Inspect it for any signs of damage or swelling. Disconnect the battery connector by gently lifting it from the motherboard. Remove the screws holding the battery in place. Carefully lift the old battery out. Before installing the new battery, clean the internal area with a cloth to remove dust. Place the new battery in position and secure it with screws. Reconnect the battery connector. Finally, replace the back panel and screw it back on. Power on your laptop to ensure everything works. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to make any calls or travel. Get a quote before repair to know your options. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.